Horses out talaga. As to begin, Magayon on Jans Music, moving up on the outside, Happy Happy City Girl, and Miss Magic Land. This the early trailer. We have talaga by about 6 lengths. Happy Happy now to take second, Jans Music, and on the outside, Port City Girl. Then comes Magayonon and Miss Magic Land. This the early trailer. Down the backstretch, they trouble. Let it still talaga by about 7 lengths. Happy Happy, Jans Music, moving up, City Girl on the outside, Miss Magic Land and Magayonon. Let it still talaga by about 8 lengths. City Girl now moving up to take second. And enter Jans Music, Miss Magic Land, Magayonon, and Happy Happy. And it's still talaga by only 4 lengths. Then here comes Jans Music. City Girl is on the outside. Third, Miss Magic Land. Talaga, City Girl is on the outside. Miss Magic Land. Down on the inside is Jans Music. Talaga, Jans Music, City Girl, Miss Magic Land is on the outside. It's now Jans Music, followed by Talaga in second, Miss Magic Land, and in third, City Girl. But it's still Jans Music by about 6 lengths over Talaga, Miss Magic Land, and finally Jans Music, second, Miss Magic Land, Talaga, City Girl, and Magayonon.
152. Dehado muli tayo. Jans Music.